tell me I'm not the only one who's in this situation. Just when I think of you, my fingers started shaking. I've known you for 2 days, I'm sorry, I forgot your name and it's not your
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie with LadyMeraki Designs, and today we're actually going to be doing a really fun video. It's actually a part 2, so if you haven't seen part 1, I will leave it up in one of these corners. But pretty much a couple years ago, me and my mom made a set of curtains. They were like boho hippie style, and we used to use them for our craft markets when we would go and sell the things that we made. Well, so I wanted to kind of revamp them so they could kind of fit my style now. And spoiler of part 1, they really didn't turn out exactly the way I planned, so I'm hoping that today I can fix that. So let's just get right up into it. Oh yeah, also, I'm really sorry about the lighting. I recorded the entire intro before I started today, and I went to go edit the first part of the video, and I realized that, I didn't plug in my microphone all the way in, so I lost all of that audio. So excuse the intro, but let's just get into it. Okay, so a couple things I did not do last time. Number 1, read the instructions all the way. I totally was just like, dyeing clothes, it's easy, you know, put it in the water, whatever. It didn't turn out the way I planned, obviously. So the instructions say add, I think, either a tablespoon or a teaspoon of dish soap. Also, it said to add a cup of salt, which I did not do. So we're gonna do it this time. Hopefully we get a better result. Step 1, find a stick. So, Okay, so here we go. Got a stick. It's a lot more stable than my other stick. If you don't recall, my other stick was a little on the floppy side, but we got a nice strong stick. So let's just get started. Okay, so another thing that I did not read last time that I was doing this is that for the first 30 minutes, I need to constantly stir. Definitely did not do that. Definitely noticed the patchiness issue. So I'm going to be back in about 30 minutes and I will give you guys an update. So far though, it's been like 5 minutes and it's already looking pretty black. So I'm very happy. Alright, so it's been a good 30-ish minutes of me poking and prodding and twisting and turning, all that good stuff. So I'm going to let it sit probably until it's cool, or maybe till tomorrow. Whichever one happens first. I'm definitely not coming out here tonight if it's dark. But I'll just maybe just let it go ahead and sit overnight, because I mean, what's the harm? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, so it's definitely been a couple days later, but I'm here to show you the final result. Let's go. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this week's video. I absolutely love how it turned out, all the different textures, but still having the overall black, so it's not like too overwhelming in your face. I just love how it came out. Sorry I didn't set up the entire canopy and everything. It's like super cold outside, but next time I have a craft show, I will definitely hang it up, maybe with some fairy lights or something. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. As of right now, I have no idea what's planned for next week. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and even that notification bell so you know exactly whatever I've uploaded. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.